video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is A1 level, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 50 minutes, and the topic is Little Red Riding Hood. Pre-task introduction. Place colored cards with names of different colors around the classroom. Teacher says a color, and all students must run to that card. Activity 1. YouTube video. Tell students they're going to watch a video on the colors of the rainbow. Pick up a colored crayon as mentioned in the song. Teacher writes colors on the board. Main task. Drama activities for key vocabulary. Teacher asks students if they can think of a fairy tale with a color in the title. Teacher confirms class answers of Little Red Riding Hood. The teacher will read a synopsis of the fairy tale, but with the addition of many different colors. Post-task improvisation. In groups, teacher says, "Let's consider other possibilities for the ending," after reading the synopsis. Students have to use as many colors in their ending and make it as entertaining as possible.